Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G32 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. Here we got the silicone protective case in clear color. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, the charger original one with all of the specifications. And also we got here in this paper box the quick start guide, the safety guides, and the SIM eject tool. So that's it. That are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.